Hello, boys and hello, girls. Today I'm here to check the answers from your exercise. So now let's go to the journal book. Okay? This is the page 4 that you were supposed to do on Thursday or on Friday. And now we are going to check this page. Let's go. Let's see what we have here. So, you are supposed to complete the sentences using this vocabulary here. To start, we have in my neighborhood, na minha vizinhança, in my neighborhood there is. Tcharará, 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 tcharará. To complete this sentence, it doesn't matter the order you are going to write. You can start with playground or park, pool, shop. If you change the order, that's okay, no problem. Some students are going to write, in my neighborhood, there's a park, there's a shop, okay? Or there's a school, a park, a shop, a playground, okay? So it doesn't matter which word you are going to use first, okay? You can change, you can play with the words. Now, let's see what we have here. The shop is next to, here is the shop, okay? The shop is next to what? Next to the school, okay? So here you must write school. This is the only answer, okay? And then we continue. The park is behind. The park is here. The park is behind what? The park is behind the shop. Okay? And finally, we have here the playground is in the, take a look here. There is a playground in the park. Okay? So we are going to use the word park here. Okay? So that's it for today. We're not gonna use playground. And now we have the answers. In my neighborhood, there is a school, park, shop, and playground. Okay? The shop is next to the school. Shop next to the school. The park is behind the shop. The park is here and the shop is here. It's behind. Okay? The playground is in the park. The playground is here in the park. That's all for today. I hope you got the correct answers. Okay? Bye-bye.